In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a sign-up form on Mailchimp. We'll walk through the process step by step so you can follow along on your own screen and have a working sign-up form by the end. This is perfect if you want to grow your email list and capture subscriber details directly from your website or landing page. First, log into your Mailchimp account. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand side of the dashboard. You'll see a navigation panel there. Find the option labeled Forms and click it. When you do, an additional option called Other Forms will appear underneath. Go ahead and click Other Forms. Now Mailchimp will ask you what type of sign-up form you'd like to create. You can choose an embedded form, a sign-up landing page, or a pop-up form. Embedded forms are great if you want to place the form directly on a page of your website. Sign-up landing pages work well if you'd like a standalone page just for collecting subscribers, and pop-ups appear over your site content to grab attention. For this walkthrough, we'll choose Embedded Form, then click Create Embedded Form. Next, you'll set up some basic details for your embedded form. Give your form a clear, descriptive name so you can recognize it later. Then choose the audience, or list, that new subscribers should be added to. This is important if you manage multiple audiences in your account. Once you've selected the appropriate audience, click Continue to Builder. Inside the form builder, you'll see a live preview of your form on the right and a control panel on the left. The left panel is where you'll manage your form fields, settings, tags, and the referral badge. To add or customize fields, click Form Fields on the left. You'll see options like email, first name, last name, address, phone number, birthday, and company. Toggle any field on to include it in your form. If you want to rearrange the order, hover over the three dots to the left of a field, then drag and drop it up or down. To make a field required, click on the field name. The left panel will update with options to edit the display name, add help text, and check Set as Required. This is useful for fields you absolutely need, like email address. When you're done adjusting fields, click the back icon at the top left of the panel until you return to the main options. If you open Settings, you can change the form title, adjust the width to better match your website layout, remove Mailchimp's default CSS styles if you prefer to use your own, and disable JavaScript if needed. You can also choose whether to show format options and an archive link. After making changes, click the back icon again. Next, click on Tags if you want to automatically apply tags to anyone who fills out this form. Tags help you segment your audience later, for example, by tagging subscribers based on where they signed up. When you're done adding tags, click back again. Then click Referral Badge. Here you can choose a light or dark badge style or disable the referral badge if you don't want it displayed beneath your form. Once you're happy with everything, go to the top right and click Continue. Mailchimp will now generate the embed code for your form. This is a block of HTML code that you'll copy and paste into your website where you want the form to appear, such as a sidebar, footer, or a dedicated sign-up page. And that's it. You've created a Mailchimp sign-up form and you're ready to start collecting new subscribers.